Good luck, everybody. This is 2016 Flawless Baseball Random Players Box 31. Along with this break, 10 people are going to win a spot in Transcendent Case number 2. So after you guys get your players, we'll go back to the randomizer, randomize your names an additional 3 times, and the top 10 are in Transcendent Case number 2. Cool? Hopefully that sounds good, makes sense to everybody. I will not say it again. Good luck. 1 plus 5. I'm going to hit the randomizer 6 times. Good luck. YBJ on the bottom to start. 1 to 1 on the top to start. 1, 2, 3. I don't know how it's pronounced, William. 4. I don't know if it's Co's or Cause. 5. And 6. But I'm assuming because it's costume, it's got to be cosplay. Kim H on the bottom. Right. B Money is on top. All right, on to the players. Zach Davies on the bottom. AJ Pollock up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 6. Jimmy Fox, number 1. And Tony Lazzari, number 235. All right. Let's alphabetize this by your name. Make it easier to find out who you got. 1 to 1 down to Big Man, the top 30. Watch me, horse got sick. Sick, man. 31 to 60, Big Man down to Dennis 75. $61 down to 90. DF Sports Cards, the Grill TW. Oh man, 91 to 120. Grill to Jason H. Fractor. You're one sick individual, William. That I am certain of. $121 to 150. Jason H. Fractor to Lean Keen. Right. $151 to 180. Lean Keen down to Pac Nico. 181 to 210. Pagoda to Web AA. Immaculate Basketball number 31 is going to fill. In the next couple days, plan on trying to get that one where the Warriors go out, trying to get that one almost full tonight. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do with that last one with the Knicks. So I think we're having the Warriors knocked out by tonight or tomorrow. And I might just cancel that one that's got the Knicks attached to it, Thomas. And we'll break that Immaculate by Friday. That's my goal. Been too long. And the bottom of the list, 211 down to 235. Web AA to YBJ. All right, boys and girls, here we go. 3 more clicks on this list. Right now, we've hit it 6 times. When this says 9, a little 6 in the corner there, we're done. 3 more clicks. The top 10 names are in Transcendent case number 2. 1, 2, last one. Cross fingers, hold winners. Good luck. 3, Sarinex, Dennis, SMD, Pacnico, 1-1, Grell, Huge Asshole, J-Dog, WizKidMaw, and Baseball 016. Come on down. You are in Transcendent. That's it, guys. Good luck in the flawless. We'll start breaking in just a minute.